Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to check the third version of the Foxeer Predator Mini and Predator Micro FPV cameras. In this video I'm going to go over the changes between the third version and the second one, compare these cameras side by side also with the second and the first generation, and on the next video I'm going to mount the Predator Micro V3 on my AGRC Batman 220 and head outdoors and test it out. Now at the first glance the V3 and the V2 look identical, but you can tell the difference by the back of the camera. So this is the Predator Micro V2. You can see it uses a single connector on the back, and on the V3 it has been separated. Same goes for the Predator Mini. So you can see this is actually the Predator Mini V1 and this one is the V3, and you can see it's got a separate connector for the OSD control board, and I think that it is great because on the previous version you had to leave a connector on the back for the OSD, or you had to change the connector, and I think it is a better solution to have a dedicated connector for the OSD, so when you want to make changes to the OSD you can just plug the OSD control board and configure the camera. Another major update is that now the V3 cameras offers both PAL and NTSC options for the OSD, and you can also set the aspect ratio between 4:3 and 16:9, which wasn't possible on the V2 and V1 cameras, so you had to choose where to get a PAL or an NTSC version, and the aspect ratio wasn't configurable through the OSD. So when you buy the Predator Micro V3, you can only choose its color, and both cameras are available in red, blue, black and purple. When you get in the Predator Mini V3, you can also choose the lens. The version that I've got is the 1.8mm version, but you can also get it with a 2.5mm lens. The image processing has been updated as well, and in the end of this video, you'll be able to see the side-by-side comparison. Now I've got the camera connected to the OSD, so opening up the menu is done by short pressing the middle button, and the OSD menu is actually pretty simple. First you can choose whether you want to display the camera ID, which is the call sign, so short pressing it is going to lead you to the place where you can set it. Of course you can also turn it on, so you'll have to press either the right button or the left one in order to turn it off. Then we have the picture adjustment menu where we can flip the camera both horizontally and also vertically. You can set the brightness, contrast, sharpness, hue, and the color gain. These are the default settings, by the way. The day and night can be changed between auto and manual. When you set it to manual, you can enter this sub-menu and you can choose whether you want to display a black and white or a color picture. By default, it's set to auto. The language can be set to English, Deutsch, French, Russian, Portuguese, Spanish, and Chinese. And you can also perform a camera reset, so you have to press this button, and now the camera was reset to default settings. When you press exit, you can either choose whether to save the settings, do not save them, cancel and exit the menu, or you can return. So if you want to save the settings, just press save all and the settings will be saved. Another menu can be accessed by long pressing the top button, and then it's going to lead you to this display menu where you can set whether you want to display the time on the OSD, so you can set it to on and off. You can also set the voltage alarm, you can calibrate the voltage. The LED can be set to off, mid and dark. I think it's going to affect the image only at nighttime, because after removing the lens cap you can see the image looks pretty much the same when I'm changing these options, but after placing it, you can see that there are some differences, so you can see that the image is changed. In addition, in this menu you can change the image format between NTSC and PAL, and you can also change the aspect ratio between 4:3 and 16:9. After pressing exit, the settings are going to be automatically saved. Now before heading outdoors and compare the cameras, I would like to first announce the winner of the Foxeer F45 all-in-one flight controller, and also Foxeer agreed to sponsor another giveaway, so one of you guys is going to win the Predator Micro V3 or the Mini V3 depending on your choice. All you have to do in order to participate is to leave a comment down below, and once this video will reach 1000 views I'm going to announce the winner. So first of all, let's randomly select the winner of the F405 flight controller. I've got the link here. In total, we had 115 unique commenters, and the winner is Adam Sharp. So congratulations Adam, you just won yourself the Foxeer F45 all-in-one flight controller, so congratulations, and I would like to thank Foxeer for sponsoring this giveaway and also for sponsoring the new giveaway. So Adam, all you have to do is just to contact me via Facebook, which is the easiest way to reach me. Now it's not possible to send messages on YouTube, so just send me a message on Facebook and the flight controller is going to be directly sent from Foxeer to you. The next thing that I'm going to do is to head outdoors and compare the new V3 cameras with the V2 and the V1 mini and micro cameras. So I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video, and by the way, in the next video I'm also going to post some flight footage, so stay tuned. As always, I thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and you find it useful. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos and goodbye.